Good evening, students. Today we discuss about 12th accountancy. In this evening video, we discuss the same chapter and we continue the same topic, that is how to prepare income and expenditure account. So in this video, we discuss first specimen of income and expenditure account. In the previous video, we discussed the meaning of income and expenditure account and steps to be followed by preparing income and expenditure account. So in this video we discuss the specimen first and then we discuss one example sum. So in the case of specimen point of view, we should prepare it by using both the sides, debit side and the credit side. We can use, write the heading properly and make the necessary columns. In the debit side, it is assumed as expenditure. There are some examples. Expenditure is given: salaries, charities, rent, donation paid, stationery, loss on sale of asset, depreciation. And then in the case of the credit side, that is income side, there are some income are given by subscription, donation received, admission fee received, grant received, rent received, interest received, and profit on sale of asset. That is, out of the various revenue receipts and various revenue expenditure, important revenue receipts and important revenue expenditure are given in the specimen. You can go through the specimen thoroughly and follow the steps carefully while preparing income and expenditure account. While balancing these income and expenditure account, surplus or deficit will arise. If the income is more than the expense, surplus will arise. If the expense is more than the income, deficit will arise. So either deficit or surplus will arise while balancing the income and expenditure account. Let us see one example sum in order to more understanding the income and expenditure account. So in page number 50, that is illustration 6. From the following receipt and payment account of OT Recreation Club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. So they are asking to prepare income and expenditure account, and in the sum it is given receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account is given in the sum, and they are asking to prepare income and expenditure account. So in the case of receipt and payment account, some of the receipts are given, that is opening cash balance 5,000, rent received 10,000, sale of investment 8,000, subscription received 54,000. In the payment side, sports materials purchased 10,000, by stationery paid 7,000, computer purchased 25,000, salaries 20,000, and closing cash balance is given. So in the given illustration, receipts and payments are given. From the receipt and payment account, you should prepare income and expenditure account. From the steps point of view, first you should ignore the opening balance and closing balance. Don't take opening cash balance or bank balance. Closing cash balance or bank balance should be ignored. Okay, then out of the three receipts, take only the revenue receipts. Rent received is one of the revenue receipt. Subscription receipt is one of the revenue receipt. These two revenue receipts should be taken to income side of income and expenditure account. Don't take sale of investment because it is one of the capital receipt. Capital receipt should not be taken to income and expenditure account. Then from the payment side point of view, sports material purchase, it is one of the regular expense, so it is revenue expenditure. Take to the payment side, that is expenditure side. Stationery paid, revenue item. Computer purchase, it is one of the property purchase, so it is one of the capital payment, should not be taken to income and expenditure account. You can leave it. Salary, revenue item, should be taken to expense side. So among the four payments, take only the three expenses, that is sports material purchase, stationery paid, salaries. These three only the revenue expenditure. these three taken to the expense side. So while prepare the income and expenditure account, first write the heading in the books of Ooty Recreation Club. Income and expenditure account for the year end 31st March 2018. Use both the sides, debit side and credit side. In your accounts assignment notebook, you can use both the side and maintain the necessary column. Debit side expenditure amount, credit side income and amount. Maintain two income column. Sometimes adjustment will be there. You should do the adjustment also. If the adjustment is given, that is outstanding, accrued, advanced, if any adjustment is given means you can do it by using the inner column of some notebook. Okay, so maintain two amount column in debit side and credit side. So in the debit side, expenditure side, write all the revenue expenditure, that is post material purchase 10,000, it is given in the payment side, and then salaries stationery paid 7,000, it is also revenue item given in payment side. Salaries 20,000, it is also revenue item given in payment side. So take all the three revenue payments, write it in the expense side. Then in the income side, rent received is one of the revenue receipt taken to the income side. Subscription received 54,000, one of the revenue receipt taken to the income side. Write the two revenue receipts in the income side. Now while balancing the income and expenditure account, first you should add the debit total, that is 10, 7, 20, totally 37,000. Debit side total is 37,000. Credit side total is 64,000. So find the highest amount. The highest amount is 64,000. Write the amount both the sides. Write the highest amount on both the sides of your accounts assignment notebook. And after writing the total, the least side total is debit side. The total will be 37,000. So from 64,000 subtract 34,000, the balance is 27,000. So 64 minus 37,000, the balance is 27,000. It is excess of expenditure, excess of income over expenditure, because of income side total is more than the expense side total. So the answer is surplus. So write true surplus within bracket excess of income over expenditure you can write, because of income is more than the expense. So by this way you can prepare the income and expenditure account. So students, you should go through both the afternoon and evening video and learn the concept and understand how to prepare income and expenditure account. Remember that you should go through the steps carefully, how to prepare income and expenditure account, and also the specimen thoroughly in order to prepare the income and expenditure account, and go through the example 6 we taught in this video and work out it once again in your commerce accounts ruled assignment notebook. Write the theory, accounts theory in your long size unruled notebook, accounts assignment notebook. Work out illustrations 6 in your ruled accounts assignment notebook, and do the exercise 6 also. Example 6, you can go through it and understand it, work out it first, and then you can do individually exercise 6 in the second chapter ending. Exercise 6 you can do yourself. Okay, keep the notebook safely and bring it on school reopening day without fail, and don't forget to send a task complete message in the WhatsApp group. Mention the subject also, accountancy task completed. Send the task complete message in the group. Okay, thank you.